On this episode,
thank you, have a good one.
Appreciate it.
No problem.
Thank you.
welcome to the city of Los Angeles, where everyone comes to be a star. With these gas prices, you won't get far. Homes are high, and they say we're about to be in a recession. Let me show you guys how I make extra money and avoid depression. What's the deal, Candy Crew? It's your girl, MsTaffy, just like the candy. And around here, we chase after new deals year round. It's a new day. It's at the end of the day. I've been in bed all day. It's my last day off my primary job. And guess what? I had a bad allergy attack, y'all. It had me dead to the bed. But I got to ship out some items. And one of the items that I sold are these snow boots. Got these for 10 bucks. And they sold on eBay for 70. Can't beat that. But I don't have no box to ship them in. So I'm about to go to Home Depot and see if one of those small boxes they'll fit in there. But let me show y'all. Let me show y'all the clip of me buying these boots. See if y'all remember. How much you want for your boots?
Go with 10.
The next day.
Hey, what's the deal, Candy Crew? It's a new day, and we're making some new shmoney, selling some old items. Today, it's a PS2. I don't know if y'all remember this PS2, but I'm going to show y'all me picking it up right now.
PlayStation is 10. Games are included with it.
All right, you're taking all my money, but that'll work. Okay, so I want that too. So that's 10. The snowboards. Where can I set it? Right?
Yeah, just leave it right there.
Okay.
Guess what, y'all? I'm meeting somebody on that good old offer up, and they come to get it, and I'm taking y'all with me. Y'all know how we do. So come on, let's go get that shmoney. All right. They said they're waiting. I was running kind of late. How much y'all think I'm selling this PlayStation for? Comment down below. Hurry up, because we almost there. You see I'm right here waiting. Let me get out the car. Hello.
Okay.
All right, thank you. Have a good one.
Appreciate it.
No problem. Everything should be in there. You can check it.
All right. Just a quick question. Came with extra games there.
It's 7 games in a container.
All right.
I didn't want to break them.
All right.
All right. No problem. You too. See how fast that was? $100. We just make that shmoney. I know money so well. As soon as I touch it, I can tell if it's real or not. This is real, of course. But yeah, let's get back into the video. I store my inventory in my storage, and here I am now, the following day, picking up an item that's sold on Poshmark. Y'all, another one sold, Candy Crew. Got a Medicine office. It's the last extra large. So I got a list of medium and a large. I'm super excited about my next find. It's a brand called Kiss Hotel. In the moment, I didn't know about the brand, but I knew I had some brand new sweaters and crew necks that should have some value. Candy Crew, it's a new day and we got a new sale. Now this time, I'll be honest with you guys, it was a personal buy for myself. I was treating myself to this Essentials crew neck. Have y'all heard of them before? I got it and it was too big and they don't accept returns, so I decided I'm gonna sell it. Let's go get this money. But yeah, you guys, I'm showing you this sale to just show you that any and everything has value, sometimes even extra resale value. I paid retail for this crew neck. I could have sold it for more. It got my money plus a lot more back, but I just wanted to get rid of it. You weren't waiting long, were you?
No.
Okay. Okay.
Thank you.
Ain't no $5. right, I paid like 85 for it, so I made an extra like 10 bucks. Sold it for 95. Like I said, better than nothing, and I want to be stuck with the crew neck. All right, Candy Crew, this is an interesting sale. This is my old back seat cover for this car. I was getting some items for free, y'all, and why I ripped it, right? So I had to get it replaced. This whole piece alone, I got it from the dealer, a new one, and it started for $1,200. And the gentleman wanted to keep the old one. I said, no, give it to me. He looked at me funny, but he gave it to me, and I just sold the old one with the damage. I wanted to show you guys this sale to just advise you guys to watch what you throw away or what you give away. You never know what has value. All right, Candy Crew. So here's the leather cushioning, and then also a dress. One of my mom's old dresses sold. It's always best to tell people what you do. My mom wanted me to give these away, and it's sold for $110 plus shipping. Mind you, I have bags full of them, y'all. I just have to list them. So let's get this money, and I'm at UPS about to drop them off. Let's see. Oh, Halloween. Boo-hoo-hoo. I love sourcing shoes at this Goodwill bins, so that's the first section I go to. Then I spotted all of these snow boots, and I knew I had to purchase them. I wasn't familiar with the brand, so I did a Google image search. And as you guys can see, they have value to them. I ended up purchasing a total of 4 boots.
Would you like a bag?
Yes, if you don't mind.
Yeah.
I ended up spending a total of $48 for all of the boots. After fees, I should make around $275. All right, Candy Crew, we reached 4,000 subscribers. Thank you to each and every one of you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until the next one, keep hustling, staying positive. TTYL. On the next episode, what's the deal, Candy Crew? It's a new day, and I'm driving to this estate sale.